In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a state drop-down property in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a clean, standardized field your team can use across forms, records, and automation. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click through to the HubSpot site and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the Settings gear icon and click it to open your account settings. In the left sidebar, find the Data Management section and select Properties. This is where all your CRM fields live. At the top right, click Create Property to start a new one. Give your new property a clear label. Something like State Dropdown works well. Keep the label simple and recognizable, so your teammates will know exactly how to use it. If you see an option to edit more settings, click Edit More Options so you can fine-tune the field. Next, look to the left panel for field type and open it. In the search or list of types, look for Dropdown Select, then click it. A dropdown keeps your data consistent by limiting entries to predefined choices, which is perfect for states. Now you'll add the options. Click Load Options, then choose Paste Your Own. You'll see a box where each option needs to be on its own line. If you don't already have a clean list, open a new browser tab and search for a list of the 50 U.S. states. Copy just the state names, no numbers, bullets, or extra punctuation, to keep things tidy. Return to HubSpot and paste the list into the options box with one state per line. If you notice any duplicates or formatting issues, fix them here for best results. When your list looks good, click Load Options again to generate the drop-down choices from your pasted text. Take a moment to scan the generated options. Make sure everything looks correct and in the order you expect. Consistency here prevents messy data down the road and makes reporting much easier. When you're ready, click Create at the top right to save the property. That's it. Your state drop-down property is now available to use. You can add it to forms, make it visible on record views, and use it in lists, workflows, and reports to segment by state reliably. Thanks for watching. If you followed along, you now have a clean, standardized state dropdown ready to keep your CRM data accurate and easy to use.